Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
I'm here in the garden with one of my favorite pepper plants. This week we're posting an extra video because I'm just over the moon happy that my hero Khang Starr featured these peppers and our homemade red velvet paste on his YouTube channel. Khang has almost 100,000 subscribers, and if you watch his channel, you'll see why. For about 5 years, he's been making informative and entertaining videos on a wide range of topics covering hot peppers, gardening, hydroponics, and making spicy concoctions. He also reviews peppers, salsas, and sauces sent to him by fans. In addition, he's the founder of the awesome Pepper Lovers community on Google+. Thanks, Khang. But now I need to apologize. The correct name for this pepper variety is Pérola Laranja, which means orange pearl in Portuguese. I accidentally messaged you the wrong name, Perola Katanga. I was able to figure out how I made this silly mistake. When I first read about this variety years ago on a message board, Laranja was spelled with a G instead of a J. Now I'm aware of the correct spelling, but I still tend to type and write it with a G if I'm not careful. It seems the autocorrect feature on my iPhone wants to change Laranja with a G to Katanga. Apparently, that's how I sent you the incorrect name. So sorry for the confusion. Now that I've cleared that up, let's move on to the main topic of this video, which is to show you this amazing plant. This bed is so crowded that it's hard to tell where one plant stops and the next begins. This is a wild capsicum chinese variety from Brazil. It's about 3.5 feet tall, or a little over a meter. This plant was not topped, but it still has an amazing amount of branches which are all laden with fruit. I purchased the seeds from Semillas La Palma. On their website, they spell the name yet a different way. It's also confusing that from now on, I'm just calling them orange pearls. This plant is bigger around than it is tall, and I really couldn't estimate the number of pods on it. It has to be in the thousands. My neighbor texted me this shot he took when he stopped by during filming. The small pods start out with a purple tinge. When fully ripe, they're a peachy creamsicle color. Here's a representative range of the colors we found today. I don't know how color accurate the low-res photo is on the Semillas La Palma site, but it shows a pepper that's a deeper salmon color. The heat and taste are similar to the ají charapita from Peru, although the pods are slightly larger. They have a nice crunch, followed by a burst of citrusy yet earthy heat. If you slice it open, you'll see that the interior is packed tightly with seeds, the better for seed dispersal after eaten by birds. I really like this variety. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the tongue. The Pérola Laranja, or orange pearl, is definitely staying on my grow list. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Look for our regular weekly video on Wednesday. Follow our daily updates on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Please like and subscribe. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.